Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy Lars, aka Bro, and as you can tell in this video, we got a special guest. I don't know if you remember him from California, the homie Kevin Munoz, right? Munoz, Kevin Munoz. He came all the way from California just to see your boy. You know how he did. He took that private jet, first class, whipped over here, and yeah, now we're here. We're gonna fucking ride some Supermoto, some pit bikes, go to the skate park later, you know, just have a good time. Let's see if I can hit a kickflip real quick, you know. I think I got it. Bolts on bolts on bolts. Hold on. Yeah, that was close enough. I'm about to eat shit, so yeah, let's fucking cruise. Let me warm my bike up. Warm the pit bike up. She's a little sketchy, just to let you know. She's a little sketchy. Take her. She's all yours. I don't have one grip, so sorry. Yeah, that's the brake. It sort of broke. It's a finger brake now. You don't even need it. You can just use the back brake right here. It's all up, all up. You used to have an SSR. Oh, you had a 110? Okay.
It's still the same thing.
Yeah, it's like
a drum right here.
Yeah. And we're about to head off. Shredding. Yo, so, whoa, we made it into the forest with the homie Kevin. This is gonna be fucking dope. We out here straight drifting with the Supermoto. What happened? Oh, did I roast you? Damn. Let's see if he gets up it. Shredding. About to hit the jump with the sumo. Just go in front of me. Just wherever you want. That way. Yo, the SSR pit bike, killing it. Straight mobbing. Super slippery. Oh shit. Oh. Yo, fuck that. I'm straight slipping out here. This is a Motobro track. Pulling up wheelies. Yo, it's straight slipping, sliding out here with the Supermoto. Holy moly.
I stalled out.
You stalled her?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that happens. That happens sometimes. Try to hit a wheelie.
Oh,
I want to see you trying to hit a wheelie. Let's see what you got, bro. Like,
yeah. Go a little bit.
Hey, don't talk shit about my bike. I'm just kidding. Do whatever. You can loop it. I don't care. It's a pit bike. But I'm about to loop it. Skirt, skirt. Some fire burnouts. and a boy. There's a little jump. So this is pretty crazy because this was a pond. Yeah, it's like dried out right now. We'll just head on that way. Just fuck around.
Is it scary?
No, dude, it's scary, bro. Dude, last time I was there, I saw a dead body. Hey, hit a DD, bro. Hit a DD. Yeah, baby. Whoa! Yeah, try it. Go ahead. I think we can make it. It's just. You're stuck? Yeah, maybe we should go a different way.
It gets puffier, look.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, this shit is so like, it's weird. It's like dead grass that's like thick. So this is pretty sick because Kevin's from California, so he's not used to this Florida like lifestyle at all. This is that Florida lifestyle. We're about to head out to the trap house, catch some vibes. Oh yeah, we're about to catch some vibes. Woohoo! We have made it to the trap house. Oh Lord. Yeah, don't touch this. Yeah, touch here. I got it. There's like a bar.
Drop it.
That love right here, that pit bike love. Here, gang. Alright. Dab on him. You can go in there.
Hell no, you don't.
Yeah. Lock your ass in there. If shit goes down, bro. Yeah, dude. That's what I'm saying. New merch. And new IHOP merch. Batteries, bro. Hella batteries. You come here at night. You have a bear in your fucking, in your neck. Oh fuck. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Yo.
Big ass fucking mosquito.
No, I think it's a wasp. Wow, bro. We have a credit card slider? I never even seen this. Like, we can survive out here. We got water filters.
I see one of those outside.
Yeah, they're everywhere. Yeah, dude. Don't fall through. I've been oh yeah, see, like I've been walking before and like it can break on you. Dude, we could low-key you could throw a raver in here. Maybe we'll have a Motor Bros meetup in this freaking trailer. Address, yeah, you guys just gotta find it. I won't have the address posted, but if you know about the trap house, then you'll be able to find it. Alright, let's keep on going, bro. There's more trails, so. I don't even know what the fuck's back here, to be honest. Maybe we'll find like a dead body. You stalled again? Ow! That fucking hurt. Holy shit. So guys, right here.
It died on me on second while I was holding a clutch.
What happened?
It just died on me on second.
Yeah, it can. Yeah, she's crazy. She has a mind of her own, bro.
You only started in neutral though?
Yeah, you have to be in neutral to start it. So guys, we have a beautiful specimen here. There's a cacti with a nice flower on top. It's very rare. You'll never see a cactus with a flower on top.
I don't know.
It's once in a lifetime right there. Make a wish. For all my old subscribers, that is actually a wall ride. In one of my old pit bike videos, I actually rode it. It was like fresh plywood, probably like a few years ago. I'm surprised the plywood's even still there. Alright, let's see if we can get over this in one piece again. Holy shit, it's so funny watching people try to ride the freaking SSR pit bike. Yo, Kevin's wearing that Motor Bro hat. That shit looks fresh. Yo, Kevin's shredding the pit bike, bro. Yeah.
It doesn't lock up.
What? I got you.
I got it. That doesn't want to come.
Bro,
Oh, look at this shit.
look at the ground, bro. It's slippery as shit. Yeah, dude, it's like a little roller coaster. Woo! Almost fucking died right there. You saw that? He's like, bro, you almost ate it. I literally almost ate shit. You gotta put your foot on the back brake. Nah, you went like this. You were this close to looping, bro. You're like, nah. Alright, I got it.
Let it go.
Let it go. You squished the goddamn seat in, bro. There's no padding left. I'm just kidding. Straight mobbing, bro. I said you look like a baller on that.
I look like a ball?
Yeah. Later, bro. What? Yeah, that's what I do. I make them squirt all the time, bro. Look at this shit, bro. Like, cracked frame on both sides.
You're trying to kill me.
Yeah, so hopefully you don't die on it, bro. Yo, but fresh hat, dude. Shit looks clean. Some guy sent it to you? What a faggot. Why would he send you it? Alright, let's see what we got. Oh! You just gotta keep it going once you're in that. Keep it going, keep going, keep oh! That was close. There you go, you're getting better with it. Woo! Hey. It's a pretty sick little jump right here. I'm gonna train you. I'm gonna train you. Follow you. I'm gonna follow you. What did you say? Pussy. Oh.
You're like, what'd you say?
I thought you called me a pussy. I was like, motherfucker.
You have it on there.
Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed this little video with freaking Kevin cruising on the pit bike. It was so fun. Remember guys, to stay motivated, and I will see y'all soon.